Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, your channel,
where you learn English and improve your speaking.
I am Lucy.
And I am Max. Ugh, Lucy. I had the most awkward moment yesterday.
What happened, Max? Spill it.
I met an old friend, and I totally forgot his name, but he remembered mine.
Oh no! Classic awkward situation. Don't worry, I'll teach you some life-saving English phrases for that. ESC Speaking and Conversation has your back.
So, what do I say? Hey, bro?
Nope, that makes it obvious. Instead, try this polite one. I'm so sorry, I've forgotten your name. Could you remind me?
Sounds honest, but still polite.
Exactly. Or if you want to be a bit smoother, say, I remember you well, but your name just slipped my mind.
Oh, that sounds nice. Like respectful.
Yep. And if you're in a friendly vibe, you can add humour. For example, I know this is terrible, but could you remind me of your name one more time?
That's definitely me.
And here's a smart trick. Ask them for their contact info. Like, can you give me your Instagram handle? I want to save it with your name.
Aha! Smooth escape plan.
So, Max, now you have no excuse for awkward silence when you forget someone's name.
Thank goodness. I'll try these next time.
Guys, what about you? Have you ever forgotten someone's name in an awkward moment? Share your funniest story in the comments.
And don't forget, unlike names, you should never forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for ESC Speaking and Conversation.
See you next time. Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, your channel,
where you learn English and improve your speaking.